Hello all, welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification, to get more computer-related video. Today we are going to show you how to disable password-protected antivirus, where you don't remember the antivirus password. Here you can see, we are unable to disable the virus protection, as we don't know the password of the antivirus. Now we're trying to uninstall it. We are uninstalling it by the Add Remove program of Control Panel. Uninstall process is started. But uninstall process is asking for the disable the antivirus service, otherwise it can't be uninstalled, but to do so we need the antivirus password, and as you all know the password we don't have right now. So we have to bypass the process to do so. In the save mode the uninstall process can't be done, you can check it also. So here we need to uninstall a software to uninstall the antivirus. We are using Revo Uninstaller Pro, which you can download, trial version from the link at description. You can use the trial version for 30 days. We already download the software, now we are going to install it on the system. For how to install any software on Windows 10, you can watch our previous video. After the antivirus uninstall done, you can also uninstall the Revo Uninstaller Pro. Installation is started for Revo. No need to restart the system, you can launch the software directly. It asking for registration, you can ignore it. Without register or activate you can use this software for 30 days, counting from the date of installation. Here you can see the list of software which is installed on your system. We are selecting the antivirus program which to be uninstalled. Right-click on it and select Uninstall. Click on Continue. There is a good feature of Revo. Firstly, it will create a restore point before proceed further. In our case we are skipping that, but it is strongly recommended to wait for the process to complete. After hitting the skip button, the next screen will appear in a few seconds. It analyzing, and after that you need to choose from 3 options: safe, moderate and advance. We are choosing the moderate. You can see here firstly it is trying to uninstall by the antivirus default uninstaller. But we all know it is not possible because we don't know the antivirus password. So we close it, cancel it, and back to the Revo. Hit the scan button, it will search the remaining services, registry values and the files on the system related to the antivirus. On next screen, select all the registry value and delete all. It will take some time to delete all values one by one. On next screen you need to select all leftover files, and delete all. As like previous, it will delete some files, but there is some files remain as the antivirus service is still running. After delete some file it show a message that remaining files will deleted after restart. Now we have to restart the system manually. It's restarting. After restart, we have rerun the Revo again, to complete the process. After restart we have to run Revo again, and done all the previous processes all over again. Due to this time it will completely remove all the remaining which was previously left over due to antivirus service. We have to again delete the remaining registry, leftover files, and also restart the system as previous. Now it's restarting, and on next boot there is no service or registry entry remain for antivirus. After restart only one task is remaining. You have to go to the program files and manually delete the antivirus folder. Now you can freshly install any antivirus again on it with new password or without password. Hope this video will helpful to you. To watch more this type of videos, just need to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Also write the comment for the feedback. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.